Temperature uniformity in continuous casting billets is the key to stable rolling quality. Yuantuo's reheating system delivers up to 12,000 kW power to keep billet temperature constant before rolling. Infrared sensors and PLC closed-loop control automatically adjust power by billet input temperature. Independent multi-axis drive and stainless guide rollers ensure precise, continuous feeding. Handles 100 to 200 mm billets with output up to 300 tons per hour. Yuantuo Induction, intelligent reheating solutions for continuous casting and rolling.